In order to calibrate a sensor, you must be in the Partner Admin view. Scroll down the left-hand column until you find Sensor Calibration under the Admin heading. Click the plus sign on the right to add a sensor. This will open the Sensor Calibration window. You then enter the name of the sensor you'll be calibrating. In this case, the sensor we have chosen is a fuel level sensor. We work through the drop-down menus to choose the correct settings and save those settings. The reading window will then automatically open, and we can insert the lower and upper limit values. Once this is complete, click the plus button on the top right of the panel and the Sensor Reading tab will appear. Input the first reading, then the second and third and so on, until all readings from the lower to upper limit have been recorded. Once this information is saved, the reading window will close and you'll find the calibrated sensor on the Sensor Calibration page. In order to now add this sensor to a unit or vehicle, you'll need to go to the Units tab on the left under Clients. Click on the unit you're looking for and select the Configuration tab. Then click the plus button on the sensor heading in order to add the sensor. Please watch our video on how to add a sensor if you require further assistance in this regard. 3D tracking, a better view on tracking.